Let's take a look at some practice problems of reconciling a bank statement. So we just covered that you need to calculate the adjusted bank balance, then the adjusted checkbook balance, then we do the statement balance, which is the bank balance, so aka bank balance. And then we have to compare the balances, adjusted balances, to make sure that they are equal. So Tony received his bank statement March 7th showing a balance of $1,669.93. So his bank balance came as $1,669.93. The balance shown in his checkbook was $1,451.06. Deposits in transit, so those are things that have not come out yet, amounted to $514.37. There was a service charge of $10. So the bank knows about the service charge, but my checkbook doesn't know about it. So I'm going to write the $10 down here under service charges. I have outstanding checks, so I'm going to write these on this line here. So I've got $249.10, I have $78.13, and I've got $352.63 for outstanding checks. Then I have interest earned. So my bank knows about the interest earned, but my checkbook doesn't. So $63.38. Find the reconciled balance. So let's start with the checkbook balance. So I've got $1451.06, and I am going to add the earned interest. So I'm adding $63.38, and I get $1,514.44. Then I had a $10 service charge. So subtract $10. So my adjusted checkbook balance is $1,004.44. So let's go back over to the bank statement balance. So I've got $1,669.93. And deposits, so $514.37. Maybe that's a paycheck, that's in transit, it's on its way. I've put my check into the bank and it's still processing, so I'm going to add that because that's my money. So I've got $2,184.30. But then I've got these outstanding checks. So I wrote these 3 checks, they're still out there, they haven't been submitted yet. So I'm going to subtract them each. And what I have left is $1,504.44. And the last thing we do is we make sure that this number equals that number. It does, so we are done. That's how you reconcile a bank statement.